J Drone here. What's going on, guys? Something a little bit different for you guys. I got a new tool in. Slide, ease of access. As you can see, this is a rotary tool, and we have our little snake neck up here for precision holding if you don't want to use that. I have a rotary tool, and I've had a rotary tool for a long time. It's very basic, on and off. That's it. And this one has different speed settings, as you can see up here: 2, 3, 4, 5, and max. So we will definitely be testing this out. I will take everything out of the box and show you what you get. Okay, guys, I think total cost was $30. Again, the snake that I showed you for precision holding we left in a box. But obviously you get your rotary tool, you get an Allen key, you also get drill bits, you have your polishing stuff here, you have all types of heads right here, you have a steel wheel here. That's how you tighten the end, which I'll show you how to do that. And inside here we have 2 different size cutters. You have an attachment on there, and we also have little sanding wheels there, and then you have 2 attachments right here. So I'm going to show you quickly how to put on a drill bit, and I'll also show you how to put these little guys on and kind of how to use it and whatnot. I think it's a great deal, dude. $30, and if you have a Dremel, like if you have another rotary kit, all these are interchangeable with this, like I do. You can see I have a 160 piece one here, and I haven't used a lot of it just because, again, my rotary tool here it works, but it's one setting, and as you can see, size comparison here, and I think I paid more for just this and a couple accessories than I did for all of this, and this thing looks like a monster with all different types of settings. But stay tuned. Right, guys, so I got it plugged in, and if you're like, hey, why ain't it working, there's a toggle on it. You need to hit the toggle first. The toggle's underneath here. Before you hit that toggle, make sure your hand's away from this part here. But let's go ahead and hit the toggle. That is our first speed. Second speed, sorry about that. Third speed, fourth speed, fifth speed. This thing's got some power to it. Like, I don't even think, maybe, the rotary tool that I showed you that I had that's considerably smaller than this, I think maybe that was about its speed, if less. So we're just gonna go ahead and turn this off. I'm gonna show you how to do a basic tip change. So you want to hold this, and if you have this on really tight where you can't, let's try to focus right there, where you can't do this by hand, that's why they gave you this tool here. So, but I can do this by hand, and basically we are loosening this just to the point where, about right there. And if we could go ahead and focus there again, then we take our tip, which it's going to be a screw, not a screw, a drill. Just put the drill bit right in there. Should be very snug, should be a snug fit. And then, let's see, there we go. You don't want the thread itself actually in there. And then we are going to tighten, and then if you want to be super safe about it, again, we will focus there. You can take this and get on it and just give it a little wrench. You don't want it too tight. Doing it by hand usually works, but to be safe, go ahead and take that wrench on it. Now we have, again, we need to hit our toggle underneath here. We have a drill now, okay? So what can I drill into in here? Piece of foam. we can drill in and through a piece of foam. Obviously, the first speed setting, which we are on, should go right through this with ease. So we will go. Right through it, no problem. I don't know, I'm trying to look for something a little bit thicker in here that we can drill through. Trying to find something here, guys. Let's see. I don't have too much that's disposable in here that is drill throughable. Here, how about this? We'll take this out of there. This will be a little bit thicker than that, but again, this first speed is probably going to be able to do it. No problems. If you wanted to go through wood, I'd bank this would go through wood. If you wanted to go through metal, it would probably go through metal. I don't think I have any wood or metal in here that is disposable, otherwise we would go through it. Here, how about a piece of plastic? How about a piece of plastic? We can go through this. And this is just an Alcenma leg, which really shouldn't be drilling through, but just to show you guys. And let's see, maybe we could drill it in a... Here, we would drill like right there. We just go up and through here. Nope. It was stuck. You need to not be full pressured in it, otherwise it ain't gonna work. Okay, maybe we need more power. Maybe we need more power. That's what we're trying to drill into right there. It shouldn't have any issues with that, but let's go ahead and turn up the juice. Let's turn up the juice. No problem. So if you're not going through it, you can see there's the hole that came through, and there's the hole that we put in there. Turn up the power, it'll go through it. All right, we're going to show you how to change a tip out. Again, if you've wrenched on that, you're going to have to take the wrench to loosen it. And again, to be safe, I suggest you wrench on that. So loosen, 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 and then pull your tip out. If you're using this tip on metal, give it a second to cool, otherwise you are probably going to burn yourself. All right, so we have this polishing disc here, a little buffing disc, and you have this right here, which all you got to do is stick that there and spinny, spinny, spinny. It's threading into this. Spin, 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 spin. And then you just want to make sure it's snug on there. And then the same application here. This should already be loose. So this should go right in. Bam. Went right in. And we're going to pull it out just a little bit, just to give ourselves a little bit of length. And again, you want to push this button. Tighten. And then just to be safe, excuse my arm, we're going to get on this and just give it a little wrench. Nothing crazy. So let's go ahead and move. We'll put our screw, not a screw. Why do I keep calling that a screw? Put our thread for our drill over there. We have the Jumper T8SG. It's a little bit dirty. It's a little bit grimy. So we're going to come over to this part and see if we can't clean it up a little bit. And we don't need it on that super high speed. So we're going to put it back down to 1. We don't need it on that super high speed. I'm going to hit the toggle underneath it. And we're just going to come over here like this. Oh, yeah. That's beautiful. Can you see that? We could probably go up another speed. But can you see that? Like, that's super cleaned that up. I'm going to try to hold this like this. Look in the upper corner here. Damn. Super clean. So, and I mean, you should definitely be able to see that compare what I didn't do and what I did do. Just really cleaning the dirt off and kind of polishing it. We'll go a little bit further. Why not? Here, let's turn up the speed a little bit. Yeah, turning up the speed is definitely good. For this, is a little bit low. We'll come across here. Should be able to see. And maybe we're up a little bit too high. We're going to turn that down and see if we can polish that out. Nope, need to be higher. This needs real even on it. There we go. Now it's cleaning up nice. And as you can see there, that nice spot right there. Obviously, I'd have to go over the entire thing. But this was just to show you basic use of this rotary tool. As you can see, we're coming across the middle, and it's getting a lot cleaner. Lot cleaner. So I think after this review, I'm going to go ahead and finish cleaning this, because it looks good. Like, that's super shiny. And you can see in there, obviously we need to go across the bottom here a little bit. Bam. But alright guys, I'm done polishing this on camera. Hit your toggle. I'm J-Drone, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And that's the company right there. I'll go ahead and link this down below, dude, for under $30 or around $30. I think it was like $30 for everything you get. It is definitely worth it. And to have that super speed on it, epic. All right, guys. Later.